Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Tahin or sesame seed paste. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the Tahin or sesame seed paste. You'll need 3.5 to 4 cups, which is about 450 grams of sesame seeds, and 1/4 cup of light olive oil. And this is how your tahin should look like. Serve it for breakfast with some dibis and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!